Have you ever wondered where aging really begins? Most people think it begins in the heart, or maybe in the brain. But the shocking truth is, for seniors, death often starts in the legs. That's right. The decline of your legs, your muscles, and your mobility is one of the biggest predictors of how long you will live and how well you will live. Think about it. When your legs weaken, you stop moving as much. Walking feels harder. Stairs become impossible. And even standing from a chair can feel like climbing a mountain. Slowly, your world becomes smaller. You walk less, you sit more, and your independence begins to slip away. This is why researchers now say that weak legs in seniors can mean early decline. But here's the good news. You can fight back. No matter your age, no matter how weak your legs may feel right now, you can rebuild strength step by step. And you don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or professional trainers. The secret lies in simple remedies and easy practices you can do right at home. Today, I am going to reveal 3 time-tested, natural, and highly effective remedies for seniors that can help rebuild leg muscles, strengthen your body, and restore your independence. These are remedies that are not only safe but also part of daily life, something every senior can do. Let's begin with the first. Turmeric milk. Now, you may already know turmeric, or as many call it, the golden spice. But do you know why it is so powerful for seniors? As we age, our muscles and joints face constant inflammation. Stiffness in the morning, soreness after walking, and pain in the knees. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound that fights inflammation and helps the body heal. Imagine ending your day with a soothing cup of warm milk, with just half a teaspoon of turmeric stirred in. It's not only comforting, but it works as a natural repair medicine for your muscles. Seniors who make this a daily habit often report waking up with less stiffness in their legs, fewer cramps, and more energy. And here's the best part. This remedy works while you sleep. Every night as you rest, turmeric goes to work inside your body, repairing, healing, strengthening. Over time, this simple habit can make your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more reliable. Now, let's move to the second remedy, fenugreek water, also known as methy water. These tiny seeds have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. But modern science now confirms what our ancestors knew all along. Fenugreek is packed with nutrients that boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle recovery. Here's how you prepare it. At night, take a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and soak them in a glass of water. By morning, the seeds will have softened, and the water will be infused with powerful nutrients. Drink the water first thing in the morning, and chew the seeds slowly. This practice does something amazing inside your body. It fuels your muscles, improves blood flow to your legs, and reduces pain and swelling in the joints. Imagine this becoming your morning ritual. Instead of starting your day with weakness and stiffness, you give your body a natural energy boost, one that goes directly into making your legs stronger. Seniors who drink fenugreek water daily often say they feel more stable when walking. Their balance improves and they don't tire as quickly. It's like giving your legs the morning fuel they have been craving. Now for the third remedy. Oil massage combined with gentle exercise. This is especially important for seniors who fear movement. Many stop exercising because they worry about falling, pain, or exhaustion. But here's the truth. When you stop moving, your muscles shrink faster. You actually become weaker by avoiding exercise. That's why massage plus light exercise is such a powerful combination. Let's talk about massage first. Every evening, take a little olive oil, mustard oil, or any natural oil you prefer, and massage your legs gently from thigh to ankle. This not only relaxes your muscles, but also improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and prepares your body for gentle activity. Now add a simple exercise. Chair-supported squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, hold it with your hands for balance, and gently lower yourself into a sitting position. Then stand up again. Do this 8 to 10 times, slowly. This exercise targets the biggest muscles in your legs, the quadriceps and hamstrings, helping them stay strong. Even if you do just a few at first, the benefits are enormous. Over weeks and months, your thighs will strengthen, your balance will improve, and you'll feel more confident in every step. And here's the beauty of this routine. Massage plus exercise creates a cycle of strength. The massage reduces stiffness so you can move more easily, and the exercise builds muscles so your legs don't weaken. Together, they keep your legs alive and active. Now, let's take a step back and understand why these remedies matter so much for seniors. Your legs hold the largest muscles in your body. When they are strong, your entire system works better. Your metabolism improves, your heart pumps more efficiently, and even your brain benefits. Yes, you heard that right. Research shows that seniors with strong legs often have better memory and sharper thinking. That's because healthy legs keep your blood circulation active, sending oxygen and nutrients to your brain. In short, strong legs mean a strong mind. Let's imagine two seniors. The first one avoids movement, sits in a chair most of the day, complains of stiffness, and becomes more and more dependent on others. This senior's legs get weaker every month, and soon, even small tasks like walking to the bathroom become a struggle. Now imagine the second senior. Every day, they take their turmeric milk at night, drink fenugreek water in the morning, and follow their massage and gentle exercise routine. Within months, they notice a difference. They can stand from a chair without help, walk longer without fatigue, and feel more balanced and independent. Which life do you want for yourself or for your loved one? The choice is clear. These remedies are not expensive. They don't require special skills or costly equipment. They only require one thing: consistency. If you make these small practices part of your daily routine, your legs will thank you, your body will thank you, and your future self will thank you. Let me also add a few lifestyle tips to strengthen these remedies. Walk at least 15 minutes every day. If you can't go outside, walk inside your home. Movement is medicine. Add protein-rich foods to your meals. Eggs, yogurt, lentils, fish, because muscles need protein to grow. And drink enough water, because dehydration weakens muscles and increases cramps. These small steps add up to big results. I want you to pause and imagine something powerful. Imagine waking up 1 year from now. You stand from your bed without struggle. You walk to the kitchen with steady legs. You play with your grandchildren without fear of falling. You go for a short walk outside, breathing fresh air, feeling alive. And all of this started because you decided today to take care of your legs with simple remedies. So let's make a promise today. Tonight, prepare that turmeric milk. Tomorrow morning, drink that fenugreek water. This evening, take 5 minutes to massage your legs and practice a few chair squats. These are small actions, but they carry the power to change your entire future. Remember this truth. Aging begins in the legs. but so does independence, freedom, and life itself. Protect your legs, strengthen your legs, and they will carry you through the rest of your years with dignity, confidence, and health. So don't wait. Start today. Your legs are your foundation. Treat them well, and they will keep you standing tall.